If you're a busy mom who pumps breast milk, you already know how challenging it can be to find time to pump while juggling a baby, work, errands, and everything else on your plate. The good news is that hands-free pumping can make your routine much easier. Welcome back to Pump with Tilly, where we share practical breastfeeding and pumping tips to make your journey a little less stressful. One of the easiest hands-free pumping hacks is choosing the right pumping bra. A supportive pumping bra can hold your flanges securely, leaving your hands available for other tasks. If you use wearable breast pumps, make sure they fit comfortably and create a good seal without causing pain or excessive pressure. Timing can make a big difference too. Try pumping during activities you already do every day, such as answering emails, preparing a meal, folding laundry, or having your morning coffee. Creating a predictable routine can help pumping feel less like another chore and more like a normal part of your day. Another helpful hack is preparing everything before you start. Keep your pump, bottles, breast pads, burp cloth, and anything else you need within easy reach. If you're using a wearable pump, fully charge it ahead of time and check that all parts are clean and properly assembled. Comfort matters just as much as convenience. Make sure your flange size is correct, your suction level feels comfortable, and your nipples move freely without excessive rubbing. Higher suction does not automatically mean more milk, and uncomfortable pumping can make your sessions harder to maintain. For working moms, consider keeping a dedicated pumping kit ready to go. Having your supplies organized can save valuable time and make it easier to stick with your pumping schedule, even on hectic days. And remember, hands-free doesn't have to mean doing everything at once. Your body still deserves a break. If you feel uncomfortable, dizzy, or distracted, pause what you're doing and focus on pumping. At Pump with Tilly, we're here to help you find realistic ways to make breastfeeding and pumping work for your life. Subscribe for more practical pumping tips, and remember, you don't have to do everything perfectly. You just need a routine that works for you and your baby.